Hi everyone, it's Ed at Are You Cars. We are back with this 2014 Audi A6. It's a 3 litre TDI. It's the BiTdi model, so it's the daddy one. It's the one to have. It's got 55,000 miles. Absolutely stunning, exclusive velvet purple. Camera's just not picking it up in our artificial light, but in the sunlight, this car looks incredible. It is a black edition, so you've got your black grills, your black window trims, etc. Got your Z-on lights, your 20-inch 5-segment alloys, which are all freshly refurbished. 2 brand new tyres, premium brand Vredesteins on the front, Michelin's on the back. Incredible condition throughout. Just look at that. Wicked spec. Got front and rear parking sensors, 360 cameras, so you've got your front camera, your rear camera, your top view, privacy glass, Bose audio, head-up display. Reg number there for anybody that would like to do any checks. Honestly, this car is stunning. I've been using this one myself. Had a few nice comments. A lot of people really like the colour. Just look at it. What a car. You ain't finding a better looking A6 than this. No way. Let's show you inside. It's got the black leather inside, you'll see that in a second. We'll just show you the boot. All very clean, very tidy, no funny smells. Got the folding rear seat, it's got your spare wheel and all your toolkit under the carpet. Rear seats barely look as though they've been used. They've still got the original matte finish to them. You've got the stitching in the centre, so like the embossed leather, which is pretty. Isofix and rear centre armrest. Super clean and tidy. In the front, we've got driver's electric seat with memory function. All very good. Minimal wear to the bolster, as you can see there, with the embossed S-Line logo. Power folding mirrors. Of course, front and rear electric windows. Bose audio, as I touched on earlier. Memory seats. Head-up display. Auto lights and wipers. Paddle shift. Cruise control. Heated seats. Tech pack. Fully loaded, this thing. 55,900 miles, as you'll have just seen there. We'll come back to that in a sec. But no warnings. Even got fuel in this one, because as I say, I have been using it myself personally. I can confirm it drives without fault. Your head-up display. You might just about make out the speedo up there. It's difficult to pick up on the camera. That'll give you your navigation instructions and all of the different bits and bobs through it as well. Got the big screen media system, so not the little one. It has got the MMR touchpad with your DAB. We've also got Bluetooth. Never known what this one is. If anybody knows, drop us a comment, let me know. AMI, SD card, DVD and jukebox. Probably nothing on the jukebox. Nope, nothing on there. Got your navigation and your Bluetooth telephone. Got your Audi Drive Select. Don't forget that these BiTdis allow you to choose different engine notes. If you can hear that, it gets deeper or quieter. Quite clever. I think they've got speakers in the back boxes. Your heated seats and your climate control, dual climate control. Aircon's all ice cold. your camera system with your rear view, your corner rear view, your front view, your front corner view, and your overhead top view. So all the cameras are there. Cup holders, media interface connection, handbooks are in the glove box, and that about concludes this video. Auto dimming mirror. Just show you again, 55,900 miles, no warnings. Do give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. We can do finance, we do it all cars come with warranty, serviced, MOT'd, etc. Give us a like and subscribe to keep up to date with our latest stock. Catch you on the next one. Cheers guys.